Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is June 27th, 2018, and I wanted to talk to you today, sorry about that, about lilies. And these are carpet lilies here, and we have a yellow one, and then we have an orange variety. And these readily multiply. We actually got these years ago off of a clearance rack purchase. And I think we started out with maybe about 4 or 5 of each color, and they have just multiplied. You can see Mikey, he's checking them out. They have just multiplied this much, and we have moved them to different spots. They actually multiply that quickly and that fast in our ground that a lot of times the bulbs will actually be on top, and I have to dig them out and transplant them elsewhere. So I'll show you the orange ones here. And back in there you can see some of the orange ones. Now these started out with like one plant being planted there. And we have dug them out since then, and we've separated them and moved them to different spots. I have some in the other flower beds, and I've been moving them around to get them established at other areas, and they are multiplying. So and here's some yellow ones over in my flower bed. See, there's more of them coming. And I'm in Pennsylvania. I'm in zone 5B, and a lot of times when I separate these, the bulbs will actually be like laying out on the top of the soil, and that's not how you want them to be. We've tried covering them up, and we actually have to dig them out and separate them, because that's just how quickly they multiply. And they're pretty carefree. Don't do anything special with them. I just put them in the flower beds and let them grow. You can use a bulb food on them. I think when they were first established, I did use some bulb food on them and some bone meal. I'll put some links down below for it, but they're multiplying now on their own. And we've started some different areas where they're starting to establish themselves and fill in, and they're really pretty. They're a lot shorter than your taller varieties. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a nice day. Bye.